BMW's Sport Plus mode tightens the suspension, adds weight to its steering, and injects a serious dose of amphetamine into its powertrain. I engage it now and the throttle becomes hypersensitive, while the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, which has been tuned more aggressively for this application, holds gears longer and shifts harder. Now the car feels alive. With far more force than is required, I introduced the M550i's throttle pedal to its carpet. The automatic quickly drops the fourth gear and the twin-turbo 4.4-liter unleashes serious thrust along with the proper V8 soundtrack. To deliver more raucous noises in Sport Plus, as well as in Sport and DSC off modes, the M Sport exhaust system that's specific to this model includes a butterfly valve, and opening the pipes sounds good, throaty with a nice burble. But it's not obnoxious and thankfully lacks the trendy manufactured pops and bangs on the overruns. We're looking at you, Jaguar and Mercedes. BMW isn't holding to some purist line, though. It still pumps V8 roar into the cabin through the audio system. The acceleration keeps me pinned to the leather seat back throughout the rev range, and at 6,500 revolutions per minute at an indicated 165 kilometers per hour. 103 miles per hour. On the digital speedometer, the 8-speed delivers a firm upshift to 5th. The throttle is still wide open. Traffic is cooperating and the rain has lessened. We crest 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, and rush past a string of large trucks, a brand new silver AMG S-Class that gives way, and some poor sucker in a yellow Renault Twingo. For a second, I fear the M550i's aerodynamic weight might send the little Twingo spinning like a side draft victim at Daytona. At an indicated 220